Okay, good morning guys. Good morning everyone. Kahit saan sulok ng mundo kayo naroroon. This morning, I just finished brooming our our house, fixing all the necessary things that I should fix. And now, nagugutom ako. So, my breakfast for today is just, yeah, I will show you, huh? Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, 2 pieces of eggs, avocado, yes, and noodles. 1 pack of noodles, beef noodles. So, ayan po. While resting, I'm eating my breakfast. And then, after which, I'll again continue again my cleaning the house, fixing all the necessary things that I should fix. And unti-unti lang kasi hindi kaya ng lola nyo ang bigla ang sunod-sunod na trabaho for a long period of time. I cannot really work for a period long of time, prolonged standing, prolonged sitting. Can feel the what you call yung ngawit, ngawit at my back. And of course, my problem is my hip joint. And I'm really contemplating on operation, but then sometimes since I'm already 70 years old, can be managed siguro conservatively. So ayan po, I'll just once na I did so many household chores, I just rest my back, I lie down in supine position, and then of course the ngawit and the uncomfortable the uncomfortable position should be relieved. So when lying and resting, it is also relieved. So I did not take my medication for that pa. Siguro I'm just observing myself. I'm also I'm a doctor, so I'm always observing myself. But the biggest problem is my hip joint talaga. So sana na po hindi siya magkaroon ng I mean absent of blood supply to the joints. And of course, synovial fluid para naman hindi magkakos ng necrosis yung hip joint so I can walk. I will not be on a wheelchair. So, sabi nga, just move. So, synovial fluid will be unti-unti lang ma-replace or malagyan. So, ayan. I'll just continue now my breakfast. Goodbye for now, mga guys. Thank you for watching. And please tell your friends to subscribe and view also my vlog. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga vlog ko. It's just lang ito. Hindi naman practicing lang mag-vlog. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Good morning to everyone.